Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to put text over image Webflow. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the first thing that we need to do here is we need to go to our Webflow project. In this case, I already have my designer open up here. So in this case, how do you actually put text over your image in Webflow? Well, it's actually pretty easy. So whenever you add an element, so let's go ahead and go to the add option here. And from here, we want to go to typography to search for an image you want to use. So typically when you just drag a image over an image, it would automatically add that image on top, or the text itself on top of that image. So it's actually pretty easy. So in some cases, some of the text would go missing. Though this is in rare cases if you get lost on actually managing your elements here. This case, I actually have this text here that is not present. As you can see, sometimes the text itself might be hidden on some sections and you won't be able to see it. As you can see, it's not appearing on the image itself that we want to place it at. So typically what you need to do is you need to press and hold on the element or the text block that you have. So at the navigator here, make sure that you actually open it up, press and hold on it, and drag it just underneath the work image section, or the image that you want to add it. So in this case, you'll know that you're dragging it below or inside that image if you see it highlighted. In this case, once you drop it in there, it should, or you should now be able to see the image itself. As you can see, we now have that text image here. Just go ahead and just make sure that it's actually under it. So if you want actually put it on top, this is what it's going to look like. And if you put it inside here, it should now be inside. As you can see, this text is now inside. Now, it's really important to basically manage your layers here. So basically, if you're familiar with Photoshop, it kind of works that way. So these are going to be layers that you need to basically manage. So in this case, make sure you put it inside so that it's going to be appearing on top of that image. But if you want to make it organized, you can just basically put it at the top. It's going to be appear at the very top. But again, if you want to put it inside, just drag it inside that image, and it should now appear on top of it. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Expo. Thank you for watching.